The disaster, which occurred as a result of an early morning heavy downpour, which started at about 12 midnight, lasted till 9 o'clock in the morning, submerged houses and farmlands. The affected areas include Modire, behind distance learning, Modibo Adamawa University, Yola, Shagari Phase 2, and Guantabo and Sanda Ward of Yola Town, all in Yola South local government area. All the affected areas visited, victims were seen being evacuated to safer places. Search and rescue teams of National Emergency Management Agency and other security agents were working round the clock to rescue lives and property, including dead ones. According to an eyewitness, the magnanimity of the flood is beyond what one will expect, as the area has never witnessed such a disaster.
Sai mu ce ina lillahi wa ina ilaihi raji'un. Wannan ibtila'i wanda Allah ya kawo sai mu ce Allah ya kawo sauƙinsa. Amma abin al'ajabi kam ni na zaga a nan na duba daga nan har zuwa Lakare abubuwan da ya faru abin ya wuce misali.
Speaking to newsmen, the head of operations, Yola office of the National Emergency Management Agency, Ladan Ayuba, said a rescue operation is being